Let's crochet the flower. Make a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The foundation ring is ready. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. For this, make a chain. And while making single crochet, I will remove the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well done. And I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. Round is done. Let's crochet the base for the petals. It is going to be round 2. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the first single crochet of the previous round. Make double treble crochet stitch. Make a chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am done the chain space. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. Yarn over the hook 3 times. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 3 times. I do not finish both stitches and pull through all loops on the hook. Chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I stop and look. I am done 2 clusters for my petals. In total it should be 6 such clusters. I am done 2 of them. You should crochet 4 more. Then I will show you how to complete such round together. I chained the last one. Insert the hook into the stitch, make a slip stitch. The base for the petals is ready. Let's crochet petals for the flower. I will do them in one way. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to be round 3. Yarn over the hook. Now I am working around this stitch. Insert the hook from the bottom. Yarn over the hook twice. Make 3 treble crochet knot finish. 1, 2, and 3. Then I hold all loops with my finger. I continue working. Then 3 double crochet not finish into the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. And 3 single crochet on the chain. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop. And pull up a loop, pull through first loop. Pull up a loop, pull through first loop. I hold all loops with my finger. At this point, I'm joining beads. Before the work, I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn. As you remember, I showed you the example with seed beads and without them. If you don't like beads, you need to do just in the same way as I am making in this video, but without beads. Draw bead, then yarn over, pull through first loop. Continue, draw the next bead, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through. By the end of the stitches, I will get 2 loops on the hook. Pull through 2 loops, draw the next bead, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. In this case, I'm making this slowly, but next time I will do quickly. So my first half is ready. Here how it looks. Turn the work. Now I am working on the opposite side. And now I remove the hook, insert the hook from the opposite side. Insert the hook into 2 loops. And my working yarn is behind the work. Make 3 treble crochet not finish. 1, 2, 3, then 3 double crochet not finish. 1, 2 and 3. Then 3 single crochet on the chain. 1, 2 and 3. Then draw seed beads. Yarn over, pull through first loop. I remind you, You can do this without seed beads. Pull through 2 loops. Draw the next seed bead, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Then pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. I have got 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Then I am going to do the picot with beads. Then draw beads. Make a chain with beads. Pull a little bit. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the 4 chain space. Let's stop and look at my petal. This is the first petal. This is my picot. There is 4 chain space on the back side. Make a slip stitch, chain, slip stitch, chain, slip stitch, chain. Make a chain. Make 8 single crochet into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I will begin the next one and you should continue by yourself. Insert the hook into the top, make a slip stitch. Make a chain of 4 for the chain space. And you can begin the next petal. Make 3 treble crochet, not finish. Work with this side and with the next one. Let's look at my beautiful first petal. Here how it looks. I remind you, you can do this petal without beads. Just do the same but without beads. And I remind you, in total it should be 6 such petals. Then I will show you how to complete such beautiful flower together. Let's complete this round together. After I have done 8 single crochet, I insert the hook into the stitch that you did a slip stitch into in the previous round and make a slip stitch. And to secure the yarn by making a chain. And I have already decorated the center of the flower with bead. My beautiful delicate flower is ready. You can locate the leaves in the flower could be located in this way or in this way. This is the second variation. Please don't be afraid to experiment. Crocheting is always the experiment, so feel free. For this project I used seed beads, one bead for the center, a ball of yarn and a crochet hook. You can use any color of yarn and any crochet hook. And such flower can be perfect for decoration or could be part of big project. Such flower consists of only 3 rounds. And don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. And I remind you, you can crochet such flower without seed beads. Here how it looks. You just need to do the same with me. In this case I use orange color of yarn. Also it can be used like a brooch or jewelry. Thank you so much for watching. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video. Please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorial and where you will use such kind of project. Bye!